Am I live? It says I'm live. Let me go to my channel. Yep, I am live. Alright, everybody. Late night stream. It's still August 21st, but it's close to midnight. Well, it's almost going to be midnight soon. I've decided I want to keep streaming until maybe I get halfway through the 4th grade unit. So, here I am. Oh, where is this window? There it is. Last time I left off, did 4th grade math. Got all the skills for 2nd and 3rd grade math. So let's level up. Hold on. I want to check something real quick. Okay. I thought I missed some for some reason, but I didn't. Alright, so let's get to it. I'm just going to get to the unit tests, and I could get 154 skills with this unit. Let's go. 1500s. 10. 8,780. 8,780. Kind of want to stop chewing this gum. Alright, here we go. Which of the following value tables shows... Sorry about that. Which of these shows... Getting some feedback. Hold on. There we go. Alright, which of these value tables shows 40,000? 133. Okay, these are thousands. So 3,084. Arrange to create the lowest possible 6-digit number. Yep. 5,704. 5,704. Yep. 750. Well, it can't be this. Complete the comparison. Well, this is definitely bigger. Yep, there we go. 24,765. 24,765. 24,000. Yes. There we go. I gotta do it again because I get mastery. Okay, 5, 4, 2, 9, 0, 4. What will be the place value of the 9 after we multiply tens? 390. Greatest possible 3-digit number. Four 10,000s. $759. 750. This one. times 301. That's the only one. 301. 301,899. 3,031. Greatest possible 3-digit number. There we go. All right. All right. I'll do the longest ones. This one looks pretty long. When I jump, okay. So this is 48. I had my Wacom tablet ready and it had all these scratches and stuff, and I tried to plug it in, but it was not working. So I'm just charging it right now so that maybe in the next stream I could use it. 48, and this is what, 23? So you need 12 plus 23 is 35. Reasonable, use massive kitchen table. 7 miles. Oh, shoot. Okay. Thank God it gave me this. Okay. 1760 times 3. 08. Carry the 1. 22. Carry the 2. 5. 5280. 5280. What the hell? Oh, why did I do 3? Oh my God. Okay. Times 7. So we got 0 and then 2, carry the 4, 49, 53, carry the 5, 1, 2, 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 190. Woman takes 12 equal sized steps. She walks a total of 10 yards. Jeez. Oh, this is gonna confuse me. That's 30 feet. So this is also 30 feet, which is also 120, 60 inches. So 360 inches divided by 12. Oh, damn it. What is the closest mass to elephant? Ounces. 56. What's equal? Ash shoots baskets with her brother for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Ash finish. It's kind of boring. I want to play some lo-fi. Some copyright-free lo-fi music. Free lo-fi. Here we go. How's that sound? A little bit lower. Cool. Oh, the song ended. How's that? Oh lord, just a little bit. Testing, testing. Alright. 0.6. Alright, that should be better. Welcome everybody to the live stream. Just turned on some lo-fi music. After Ash finished shooting baskets at 8:50. That's a little high. Testing, testing. No, I want it a little bit lower. You know, I could just do this. Testing, testing. All right, cool. All right. What time did the clock show when Ash started shooting baskets? So 40, 7:50. What? 7:40. 7:40. There we go. Which is closer to the volume of a watering can? 6 gallons, 24. 6 gallons is 48 pints. 7 kilograms, 7,000 grams. If Carrie, okay, it takes Carrie 15 minutes to get home. If she leaves at 1:32, what time will she arrive? 40, 2:30. Lynette bought 7 cookies that cost 64 cents each. She paid with $5 bill. How much change? This is good because internationally, you want to know when you want to tell people how much your currency is worth. Okay. So let's get 64 times 7. 64 times 7. 28. 42, 45, 48. So minus, so we do 5. It's 52 cents. Which is closest to the height of a student desk? 3 feet. Which is closer to the volume of a hot tub? Really? Alright. I guess. Alright. Identify the most reasonable unit to measure the time it takes to fill a water bottle. Sasha purchased a bag of oranges that weighed 2 kilograms. She removed one juicy orange with the weight of 180 kilograms in the bag. How many grams of oranges are still in the bag? What is the closest length of a wristwatch? Let's see, 20 centimeters. It's 5/6 of a minute, 50 seconds. Shoot. A liter? I don't use liters, people. 62 liters, 62. Yeah, there we go. Gotta redo some. What did I miss? I missed estimating volumes and what else did I miss? Converting smaller units. Alright, whatever. Try it again. This one's the longest one. Okay, let's see. 30 minutes. So this is 7:18. 7:18. This bottom is 10:48. 30 3 hours, 3 minutes. Eighth of a pound, 2 ounces. Yeah, because a pound is 16 ounces. Large pot. Quartz. 36, 60, 60, I don't know. 132. Yeah, we got it. Dose of cough medicine. tuba until AS blue tuba. 35 plus 7. 42. Identify the most reasonable unit to measure the distance traveled in an hour. Okay, right. Kilometer. 3 tons, 300 grams. Identify the most reasonable unit to measure the distance traveled in an hour-long car ride. Probably miles. Julie and her friends are making kites out of paper. For each kite, they need a piece of paper that is 65 100ths meter wide. What is the total width in centimeters of paper they will need to make 4 kites? Okay, so let's start off with 0.65 meters. To get to centimeters. 0.65 meters. Centimeter. 100 centimeters. 65 centimeters. Yeah, because 100 centimeters on a meter. Yeah. Fuck. Oh. 4 paper kites, damn it. 4. How many is the one? So that's 75 minutes times 3, 150, 225. Quartz, okay. 23. Box is filled with 20 pounds of paper. Brown paper makes up 1/4 of the bag. How many ounces? So ounces, that's 320 ounces. 320 ounces paper. 1/4 of the box is brown paper. How many ounces does the brown paper weigh? 80. Okay, hold on. I don't want to get this wrong again. 700 milliliters. Close to massive rabbit, 3 kilograms. Kilometers. 3 minutes is 180 seconds. Identify the most reasonable unit to measure the mass of a can of soup. Ounces. 1 is 6 is 180. 80. No. Oh wait. Identify the most reasonable unit to measure the time it takes to bake a pan of cookies. Dang, I didn't even get mastery for half of these. So I think I gotta do 2 quizzes. Baby chick. Pitcher of lemonade. Out of a pine tree. Okay, that's cool. Let's do this one. 30, 60, 100. 5 miles or 200 yards. A mile is 5 miles. Shelby wants to run 1 lap around the track as fast as her friend Annabelle could run 1 lap in. Shelby started. How much time shall finish her lap? She wants to tie Annabelle's time. 70 seconds, so 33? No, 23. Uh, 60. So 90. 900 seconds. 23. There we go. Dang it. Okay, hold on. Let's do this quiz. And then after this quiz, we can do the unit test. Alright, here we go, guys. Lee is watering the plants in her garden. Her water can hold 7 liters of water. She refilled the water can 4 times. How many milliliters of water did Lily use altogether? liters. Blanca buys 2 gallons of green paint. She uses 5.5 quarts for her front porch and its swing. How many quarts does she have left? So this together is 8. 8 minus 5.5 is 2.5. Daniel picked out a book to give to his dad for his birthday. Daniel only has 63 cents from his piggy bank. His mom said she would pay the rest. She paid $12.81. The book was $13.44. Tomas has 2 boxes to be shipped. One box weighs 3 kilograms. The other box weighs 720 kilograms. What's the combined weight of both boxes in grams? 3720. Danish krone. 180 to 10. There we go. Yes. Gotta do it again because I need to get proficiency. Okay. Oh, I just did this one. 10. Jane buys 7/3 yard of fabric to make a cat bed. She starts the project by cutting 4 feet off the end of the fabric. How many feet long is remaining? So she has 2 1/3 yards of fabric. So 2 1/3 yards. In feet, that's 6. 7 feet. 3 feet left. These conversion tables ain't no joke. Snail travels 12 centimeters in 4 minutes. The snail travels the same time distance each minute. How many miles each minute? So it's 3 centimeters in a minute. 30 millimeters. Lucas and Mateus have been collecting coins they found on the ground. Lucas has $3.23 and Mateus has $2.87. How much less money does Mateus have than Lucas? 13, 36 cents. Yeah. Julie and her friends are making kites out of paper. For each kite, they need a piece of paper. Oh god, 4 kites. God. Alright, take the unit test again. Let's go. Dude, I don't know why I don't remember these. 87 years. 7,000. So it's 3.5 pints. Write this down. 3.5 pints. That's 7 cups. Oh, if I have to multiply by 2. Alright. The number line shows when Finn starts and finishes making pancakes. How long did it take Finn to finish making pancakes? So 8:45, 30 minutes. Which is closer to the volume of bucket of paint? Complete the table to show equivalent measurements in pounds and ounces. 3 pounds, 48 ounces. Times 16. 225, 230, 240. Yeah. A teacher orders 20 copies of a new graphic novel for his class to read. Each of the books weighs the same amount. The total weight of all the books is 10 pounds. 8 ounces. Inches. So if I have to multiply this by 3, this is 2 feet 24 inches. Which is close to the volume of a bottle of ketchup. 1 quart. Identify the most reasonable unit to measure the length of an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Yards. Identify the most reasonable unit to measure the time an average person sleeps at night. Identify the most reasonable unit to measure the mass of a cell phone. Bart's drive to the airport takes 23 minutes. He needs to arrive at the airport by 5:45. So he needs to get there by 5:45. 45. If Bart needs, what's the latest time he can leave for the airport? 5:22. 4 minutes is 240 seconds. Identify the most reasonable unit to measure the length of a house. This is 5:54. This is 5:54. And then this is 11:13. It's less than 12 hours. Five hours, 19 minutes. 5 hours, 19 minutes. 5 hours, 19 minutes. There we go. Identify the most reasonable unit to measure the mass of a pack of gum. Boomer, the dog, eats 3/2 kilograms of dog food each week. How many grams of dog food will Boomer eat in 4 weeks? So that's 1,500. 1,500 grams. In 4 weeks, he'll eat 6,000 grams. 9 liters. I think this is. That's way more. George bought 9 apples that cost 50 cents each. He paid with a $5 bill. How much change did he receive? That's $4.50. 50 cents. Nice. Unit 14. Okay, what's the longest one? This, okay, unit 10 is a little longer. Let's go 0.5. It's bigger. It's decimal. 9/10. Which of the following numbers equivalent to 8/10? Which point on the number line plots 7.9? Look at the number line below. Identify the point on the number line and write it as both a fraction and a decimal. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 8. Fraction 22, 1450. 7 25ths. Decimal 0.28. .6 simplified fraction. Simplified. He gave me the answer. That's funny. As a fraction, 9/10. 0.4. 204. Describe the location of the point on the number line with the fraction as a decimal. So this is 9/4. Fraction and decimal. Where is the point on the number line? 1.57. Each big square below represents a hole. Express the shaded area. How many is this? 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1.9. 1 and 9/10. 1.9. Okay, gotta do it again. Okay, this is 3, 4, 2/5, 0.4, 0.6, 2.03, 2 300ths, 2.03. Compare. Chomp, chomp. Here we go. 2.58. 700ths as a fraction, decimal. 1200ths as a fraction. 8/100. 2/25ths. 3.22 as a fraction and as a decimal. Which of the following number lines graphs 5.46? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's gotta be this one. 2/10. 8.6. 3/4. Nice. Okay, next biggest one. Unit 12. Here we go. 1 1/8. 1 3/8. 1 3/8. Add 14. 1 1/6. Patrick analyzes how much sugar is in 10 popular candy bars. He records the deadline. That's a lot of sugar. List the grams of sugar of the 2 candy bars that have the least amount of sugar. So the least amount is 21.5. The next one is 22.5. Select the equation that represents the following image. We have 2/10 plus 800ths. 3 friends ate. How much cake did all 3 friends eat? All 3 friends eat combined. Scientists in Florida are measuring the masses of sea turtles that they hatch. They create a line graph plots masses of 14 turtles rounded to the nearest fourth of an ounce. Each point represents a turtle. What is the combined mass of the 3 lightest turtles? 36 3/4 ounces. 36. 6.375 ounces. Which of the following equations is true? That's not true. This could be true. No. Choose the number line that represents the equation. So we start at 4. 4. That's 7/8. So that's 7/8. Match the expression. So this is 1. Yep. Complete. So this is 5. 10, 11, and 1/6. And 1/6. Kid started a piece of bubble gum that was 5/8 of an inch wide. Later, she blew a bubble that's 2 7/8 inches. How much wider? Which wider? 2 1/4. 2 1/4. Oh man, I gotta do it again. The weights of 11 different babies recorded on the plot below. Each weight was rounded to the nearest 1/8. Hold on, I wanna keep leaning in towards the mic. Should bring the mic up just a little. Well, if I bring the mic up this high, I can't see the screen. So, all right. So. I think that's better. Testing. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so All right, if I just talk like this, it should be all right. Okay, live chat. What is the difference in weight between the two heaviest babies? So it's 8.5, and this is 9.25. 3/4 of a pound. Wait, I wanna write this down real quick. This is 8.5, 8.5, and this is 9.25. Three-fourths of a pound, yeah, right. The table below shows the distances students walked or ran during their gym class. The measurements round to the nearest fourth of a mile. Okay. Half a mile, 5, 6, 3/4 of a mile, 1, 2, 3, 1 1/4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 mile, 2.25. Subtract. Sorry. Maya measures the weight of several fruits at the grocery store. She records results in the table. The watermelon weighs 7.75 pounds more than a pineapple. So 8, 9.25. Select the equation that represents the following image. 50, 8, 50. There we go. Subtract. 2.9. Dang, my lips are so dry. Choose the equation represented by the following tape diagram. So this is divided in 6 pieces. So we have 1/6 plus 2/6. Yep. Let's see. 82. What happens if I don't simplify it? Oh, okay. 200. 22. Okay, I could do a mixed number or not. He says allowed to play video games for 5/3 an hour each day. She already played for 4. What's the fraction to play video games? 1/3. For 7 days, John recorded the number of hours he slept each night. He rounded each time to the nearest quarter of an hour and plotted it on the line plot below. Each plot represents 1 night. Least sleep. Sleep, so he did 7.25. The greatest was 8.5. There we go. That's how we do it. All right. Unit 5 and Unit 3. Okay, times 100, it's 800. 16832. Estimate 45,000. The volume model shows 6. Yes. 4,200. 4086. 4686. I like how they do that. That's really cool. Times Luke and Katie were picking strawberries. Katie picked 36 strawberries. She picked 6 times as many strawberries as Luke picked. So 36 equals, multiply 72 plus 180. 72 plus 180, 252. Fill in the blank to complete the comparison. Is 2 times as many. It's 9. 18 is 2 times as many as 9. Yep. 18,000. Yeah. 63,000. Dang it. 5,000. So 35,000. Let's do it again. Let's go. Multiply. So we got. I like how they do it. 28, then 70, and 28 again. Let's just add these. 28, 98. Multiply. 450, 4,500, 45,000. Hadley tried to evaluate 5 times 4,000, but they made a mistake. Step 3. Because that's right. It's 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3. 400. 4. 9, 15. Oh shit. 20. Oh. 100. 4, 6, 1, 5. Why did I do that? Hummingbird visited 35 flowers. A bee visited 75 flowers. Bee visited twice as many. 2 times as many. A is 5,000. B is 4,000. C is 315. 9,315. Estimate 6,300. The number 28. 28 equals 4 times 7. Okay, Lori tried to evaluate 8,092 times 6 using partial products. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Step 5. Oh, she didn't add 48. Step 5. Multiply. Damn. Oh, I wouldn't have gotten it anyways. Statement. Oh, you know what? No. Go back. Get this one to familiar. Estimate. Find Devin's mistake. Step 4. 480, 18, 280, 18. Oh shit. 2898. 7,000. 2,000. 40 and 16. 32 for 56. Alright. Wonder if I do this unit quiz. Will I get mastery if I do this? Let's see. 3 times 200. Following two expressions make them equivalent to plus times 500, 50, 45, so 595. Damn it, Devin. Yeah, that's right. Estimate 200. I'm gonna try it again. If it's not, then I'll just do the unit test. 3200, 2000, 40, and 16. 34056. Plus 9, 600. Well, that's not less, it's 3000. Step 3. There you go. 200. 5,000. 5,000. 10,000. 10,656. 1,400. 140. 63. 1. 1. Oh my god. So much carryover. 140. 63. Freaking carryover. So we got 3. Then we got 0 carry the 1. It's 5, 6. 63. I wonder. Hold on. That's not gonna give me the freaking level up. When I get this 14, it's 2 times as many, so estimate 800 multiply. Okay, I'm gonna draw this one. So we got 72,000. Then we got 63, no, 2,700, 18, 8, 1, 7, 4, 7, 7, 4, 7, 18, 7, 4, 7, 18. Tiny 5 bananas, print monkey. 8 blank times as many bananas as Tiny and Sweet. That's great. That was fine. This is it, right? Two, 8, 4, 8. 18, 900, 60, 27. Let's get 87. Get 900. 24 times 100. Okay, let's see. Times 90. 63. 6. 7, 3, then we got 7, 320. 4,000, and then this is what? 56, 560. Oh wait, 4,000. 60, and this is 32. Let's see, 4,592. Easy gearing mastery. There we go. Okay. A class sold tickets to their school play. Each of 23 students sold 4 tickets. The cost of the tickets was... So 80. 92 times 7. Shoot. 92 times 7. 1463. 644. Oh shoot, okay. This is 4. Oh no. Okay, let's see. 4 up here. 36. $402 remainder 0. 1 tube holds 3 tennis balls. Jenna filled 5 tubes and had 1 ball over. Estimate 40. Okay, 3 goes there once. 3 goes 11. Goes in there 3 times 9, 2, 6. 8 times 24. 138. Remainder 2. If Nissa plants 5 orchard trees, how many trees will be in each orchard? Okay, so we got what? 2,000, then 400, then 25, 245, 245. What? 2,000. Wait, 5 times 8? Wait, I'm reading this. Oh my god, whack. Oh, it's divide. Okay. I don't know why I thought that. Whatever. Okay. 5 into this. Let's see, 48, 9, 45, 97. A is... That's interesting. 600 units. A plus B. Units. $609 remainder 3. 310. easy. Six and 7. No, 42 monkeys meet in the forest. First win competition. The monkeys divide into teams of 8 monkeys on each team. They make as many teams as they can, but not every monkey is on team. So it's 5 from here to 2. 2 monkeys. I teach you about 7 packs of dominoes for the math game. Each pack had 55 dominoes. The teacher already had. Estimate how many dominoes the teacher had for the game. See 3. 4,200. 42. This one? Yeah. Oh my god, I gotta do it again. Okay, try again. Here we go. A little over 8. B is 10 units. 10. Alright, let's do this. This is 4, 36, 3, 3. This is 3, 43 minus 6. 800. Therefore, as if the swimming upon a junk, scared. What equation you find? 47 minus 29. There we go. Find Kevin's mistake. Step 3. Which estimated question is most reasonable? 7 times that. Maybe this one. No. 2. There's no remainder. 450. 450 plus 25. 475. 476. An ice cream shop is testing some flavors of ice cream. They invent 25 new flavors for customers to try throughout the 13 least popular flavors. The shop makes 80 cartons of each remaining flavors. It takes 2 cartons to get 1 liter of ice cream. How many total ice cream is in the cartons? God. They invent. So 12, 24 liters? I don't know. This is confusing. They invent 25 new flavors. So that means they have 12 flavors, right? 80 cartons for each of the remaining flavors. How much total ice cream is in the cartons? Shit, I'm confused. Okay. Alright, here we go. An ice cream shop is testing new flavors of ice cream. They invent 20 new flavors. Oh, 80 cartons. Okay, I got it. It's 12 times 80. $80, 100 plus 160, 960. Divided by 2 is 480. 480. Kira unravels a shirt to get a blue thread. For each centimeter of the shirt, she gets 231 centimeters of thread. She unravels 7 centimeters from the shirt. How much did this Kira get? that's the only one. A group of 5 friends made 38 snowballs for a snowball fight. They each threw the same number of snowballs. They had 5 balls left. They divide. Which you'll find describe the remainder in this case. The number of balls left. They had less than 5 balls left. Yeah. There's 67 bikes in the bike rack outside the school. Out of all the bikes, 33 are silver. Half of the remaining bikes are red. So 64, 34. 34 divided by 2 is 17. Oh. Oh. I did it in my head. Alright, that's cool. Oh my god. Take this quiz. A restaurant grand opening. A giant sandwich was 352 centimeters long. It was equally divided among 22 people. Clyde got one of the pieces, ate half, saved half for later. Length. The whole sandwich. Yep. Gianna's dogs used 9 chew toys last year. The animal shelter used 2,277 chew toys. How many times more chew toys? That's reasonable. Teacher had a litter of 8 new puppies in the basket. The weight of the basket and the puppies combined is 2,977. The weight of the basket alone. Basket. Each puppy. 3,000, like 2,000 divided by 8. 2,000 divided by 8 is like 250. The drama group has 90 minutes to practice 2 scenes. They want to practice the pirate scene 4 times. Each time takes 13 minutes. The mermaid scene takes 7 minutes. How many full times can the group practice the mermaid scene? So 4 times 13 is 12 plus 40, 52. So that leaves them with 38 minutes. 38, what's the closest? 5 times. Gregor Mendel's examining piece to try to understand how traits are passed from parent to offspring. Today, Gregor has 228 peas to examine. The pods have 6 peas per pod. How many pods of peas are there? Sick, 38. Wait, it's A or C. Let me do this. Sure, I want the right answer. Okay, 38. Unit test one more time. Let's go. 12 questions. Abbott is planning a birthday party for his granddad. He bought a cake for $18. He also buys some balloons, which are 4 times each. Abbott has $35 to spend altogether. How much money will Abbott left after he buys a cake and as many balloons as possible? So this is 17, 4, $1. Divide 80. Scout troopers, they will sing 5 songs that have 3 verses each. The other 4 songs have 2 verses each. Chris has 4 rocks that each weigh 12 kilograms. He keeps them in a box that weighs 6 kilograms. So 48 kilograms plus 6, 54. Right? Wait, this is 48 plus 6. Okay, estimate. That's fine. Less than 10. Zane is putting strings on 5 harps. Each harp has 48 strings. How many strings does Zane need for all 5 harps? 240? 7,000 divided by 7. 1,001. Oops. A group of 14 pigs decide to clean up 4 rooms in their pig pen. They make as large of equal groups as they can. So, each one, how many pigs will be in a group? 12. They make as large groups, so each can try to clean up. 2 groups. How many pigs are in a group? Yeah. Divide. Let's see, 300. Alright, let's go. 9, 1, 19. So 300 what? This way. 6. 18. 3. 363, remainder 1. Emily split up the area of a rectangle to help her solve the equation. A is 1,000 units. 1,072 units. 72. Estimate 500. 6. There we go. Render. Oh snap! I didn't know I could do that. Gotta zoom in more. How does that look? Oh, that's way better. Oh my god. I've been streaming like that for forever. Okay, let's do this. 36, because that is 4. 36 again, because that's 4. 48. It's 5. 4, 4, 5, remainder 3. God. There we go. Oh, but of course. Okay, let's see. All right. Unit 6. Unit 11 looks pretty big. Obtuse. Scalene. What is the name for the marked angle? EAD. Perpendicular. All shapes in group A have at least one pair of parallel sides. False. Yeah. Parallel? Sure. Leave A. Cute. Which angle is greater? Which of these align segment? Which shapes have a line of symmetry? So, yeah, symmetry right there. This shape has no right angles. This shape has no pairs of sides of equal lengths. Shape is not a triangle. Well, this has equal lengths. I get to do it again. Nice. Streaming for an hour. Let's do it again. Oh, you know what? Let me go back here. Oh, yeah, I can just do it again. Get some mastery. Let's go. Which angle is greater? Oh, shift equilateral. Specify triangle DEF by its angles. DEF is an acute triangle and equilateral triangle. It's parabola. It's a line. It's none of these. Perpendicular. Parallel lines. Arc 2 and 4. Which angle refers to the same angle as CPB? CPB. APD? Oh no. Shapes show a line of symmetry. See. Angles greater. Nice. Find this guy's number. All prime. Nope, they're not all prime. Are they composite? Yeah. No, they're not. None of them are prime. He made a mistake. G5. Max is a professional table organizer. For today's event, he brought square table. Single square table. Let's see, 4 people. One on each side. The first picture below. If Max joins 2 tables, he seats 6 people. How many people can Max seat with even more tables? Extend the pattern. 3. He just adds 2 more people. 8, 10, 12. The following multiples of which the following 7 is a factor of every number. Yes, the pattern is for odd numbers and even numbers. It's about the same. Each number 7 is greater than the previous number. Which equation best shows that 45 is a multiple of? Yep. That's all the factors for 48. Well, that's be 1. Not 5 is not a factor. It's composite. This one. If the pattern features how many? 13 laps. It's 5 minutes. What equation shows that 8 is a factor of 32? Multiples of 12. Those are factors, multiples of 12. I get to do it again. Let's go. I think I'll finish this tonight. It's a multiple of 4. 9 is a factor of prime, composite, Which of the following is a composite number? How many squares will be the sixth step? Plus 5. Plus 6. 16? No. 15. 21. If a pattern continues, how many minutes will it take to run 13 laps? Just did this one. So what's the following? 5 is a multiple. No, 5 is a factor. 2 is multiple 4. Composites. Composite 63. Nice. Okay, let's do unit 7. Let's go. Adam, Kim, and Harry ate pizza for dinner. Well, listed. What's it mean? Harry ate less than Kim. That's true. Cow is a third of the height of a tree. Horse is a third height of a taller tree. Who is taller? Horse. Yes, sir. This one. Let's see. Chop, chop. Oh. Oh, oops. Damn it. Okay. Equal. Place Z below. 3. P equals 2. Oh, 3. We have fractions. We want to rewrite them so they have a common denominator. What two numbers could use for the denominator? Could use 20. Okay, which statement correctly compares the amount of cake to invest? Tom ate the same amount as Anne. That's true. Gotta freaking do this again. Okay, might as well do this quiz. I gotta do 2 quizzes actually. Compares 2 times of 2 of his activities. Marcus swam when he played soccer. Yep. .6. Compare. Is less than 1, but more than half. So, step 3. How is that greater? This is more. Oh my god. Alright, change it up. 100. Multiples. 10, 20, 25. 2, 6, 8. Oh. So least common denominator for the 2 fractions, 10. That one, 2/8. Wait. Oh, because they're different sizes. Okay. Complete the equation. 4/4. So it's 1, 8. Let's quiz one more time. Let's do it. 2/6 and 4/3. Which days did you walk to school in less than half an hour? Monday, Thursday. What's your mommy? Equal. Which walking sticks measured less than 3/5 meters? Stick 2. Stick 3. Alright, let's go one more time. Let's do this. The period 7 amount. Geometry table show walking sticks which measured less than 2 and 3. Point A. 0.25. 1. Which number could replace as a denominator? 8, so 16, 24. Then 15, oops. 24. Yeah, times 8. Think about where each fraction is located on the number line. It's equal. Equal. Is less than step 1. Which picture has an equivalent 3/4 shaded? A 1/3. Do I get mastery? Yes, I do. Do I have to get mastery? Hold on. I prefer if I do. 4/3 of a kilometer for 2 days. Each day. 5 days. Who had more in total? 8. Camp. What is 3 times? So that's 2 plus. Oh. What is the greatest number of rolls Mina can make with the flower she has? Has 4/5 of the flour that she needs to make 12 rolls. $9. How do we calculate the shaded area? We can do that. 50, 50, you can do that too. Which expressions match the following in number line? The equation 5. What is that? 5 and 7/2. No, I mean 5 and 8. 8 and half. Lay a scarf that's 130 centimeters long. Theo knit a scarf that's 4/3 the length of Leah's scarf. Let's see. Plus 30%. That's like 40. 70. Well, about 6 tangerines. I need 2/3 of them. One more, what? Wait, more tangerines. That's 4. Raul. Oh my god. I gotta do this. Let's go. $28. Divided by 3. 9 pies. Pepper plant has 2/3 as many fruit as tomato plant has. 6. Marcus bought a rug that is 6 meters long. Vinny bought a rug that is 3/4 as long. 6 divided 18 divided by 4. 4.5. 18 divided by 5. 18 divided by 5. 3. 3/5. 3.6. 5 friends have 3/4 of the money they need to buy a bag of popcorn at a movie theater. Wait, what? 5 friends have 3/4 of the money they need to buy a bag. Each have, okay. 15. 3 bags. Yep, there we go. We got it. Let's do this unit test one more time. Let's go. Rishi spent 3/4. You spent more time working on the science project. So this becomes 6.5. This becomes... No. This becomes... Oh my god, let me write it down. 6/4. 6, oh, the same. Which following, okay. 2/3, 2/3, 2/3. Complete the equation equals 3 times. Wait, 9. Frick! Ugh. No, you don't do that. There's a bottle of green paint to paint the use for us. He paints me. 10. 5.5. 2/5. Test around 4th is going for 2 days. Just 10. Cameron more. 5 friends have 3/4 of the money. Okay. There we go. God. Get to freaking 2 and 5, 6. 20 divided by 3. 15 halves. which is 7, and complete the equation. Multiply 4, 5, 5 and a fourth. God damn it. Four. This is 6. 6.5. God damn it. Why am I struggling with this? This is 4 and then 6 over 4, which makes it 5. Oh, 5.5. Damn. Okay, I can take this quiz again. Salmon eats 3/2 kilograms of krill in 1 week. How many kilograms of krill would 9? Kai ran 3/5 of kilometer yesterday. He ran 6 times as far. 18 fifths, which is 3 and 3/5, 3.6. Complete the equation. 9. 5.5. Did I just do this one? No, I didn't. 2/5. Why did you lie? Takeru. Hey! Takeru has 4 1/3 bags. 4/3 bags of birdseed to fill each tree. What's the fewest number of bags? Let's fill all 4 feeders. 16/3. 16/3. Need 6 bags. Multiply 3, 7. This is 8. 4 times 3/8. 6. There we go. 89%. Yo, what is this? I haven't touched any of these. That's crazy. Nearest thousandth. 4, 5. Nearest 100. Subtract. Okay. 5, 8, 189. Should I do a trick? Nah. 6, 18. This is 0. 9, 7. This is 10. Oops. This is 9. That is 4 plus 7 is 11. 1196. What is it? 11996. Add these two. 2, 3. Oh, 2, 3. 7, 0k to 1. 0k to 1. 8. 57. 57. Oh, 007. 578. 707. The number of people who live to the nearest 1,000. 87,000. Subtract 389. 2,000. It's the same as 389,000. 7, 6, 1, 4, 9. 951. 2. 312 951. 312 951. Fuck. Alright, I'm trying to be cool. Okay. Stop trying to be cool. 9, 10, 9, 10, 1, 5, 8, 2, 1, 3, 312 851. Ah, shit, I was halfway. To the nearest 100, 91800, 30, 259 006. 0 carry the 1, 6, 4, 0 carry the 1, 0 carry the 1, 900 460. 10,000 67. Why though? 3 2 2 9 8 4 9 9 3 carry the 1 9 0 409 399. What should the following digits could replace blank? Rounds to 4. Dang, bro. Oh my god, that's really bad. Six. Damn it. Six, 5, 8, 201. 201 minus 26 is 175. Just subtract these. 64, 18, 9. 64 minus 33. 64 minus 33. 319, 175. Here we go. So we got 7, 1, carry the 1. 11, 12, carry the 1. 12, carry the 1. 11, carry the 1. 267, 4, 4, 2, 2, 14, 13, 7, 67, 67792. God damn it, what the fuck? Oh, 57. 57. So we got 9, 9, 8, 0, carry the 1, 7, carry the 1s. No one does math like this anymore. $800, so 41, 4 4 1 1 3 1 3 1 4 4 1 1 Fuck. All right. Let's do this. It's 100 64. There's 10,000. 8,000. Here's 1,000. Here's 1,000. Nearest 1,000. 85. Nearest 100. Oh, I took the last 10,000. 3 8. Damn it. Dude, I freaking mistype one more time. Mo Ikai. I wonder if I could do this. 10,000. Here's 1,000. 16. How many meters tall is the building be if the round to the nearest 10? 2. 10,000. God. Okay. Hit 2. One. 18. 118. 1. 23 minus 18. 0. 4. 4 8 1 8 1. Fuck. 4 8. Oh wait, that was 0. That was 0. Shit. 40. 181. This is 97. 97. 98. 148. 48. This is 56. 856. Minus 65 is 81 minus 65 is 5 plus 16. That's 9. 20. 290. 200. 916. 249, 418, 8, 73, 81, 91, 26. 26091. 6.9. What the fuck? Damn, I'm tempted to use a fucking calculator. Alright, this is 1, 3, 9, 8, 13, 9. Oh. Let me do it one more time. Let's go. Okay. 8, 8, 4, 2, 2, 7. That's 6, 2, 91206. Fucking kidding me. Starting over. Trying to do tricks and shit. It's not working. $21, $17. That makes 8. Oh. 0, 208, 91, 208. God damn it. This is 15 right here. This is 20. 320. 132.15. Let's see, 267, 442. That's so bad. 4, 2, 2, 3, 14, 9, 6, 13, 7, 266, 60, 57, 57, 57792. There you go. 1, 11, 7, 31 is 19. 11971. That bonus question. Alright, this is 3. It's 87. 6, 8. 86873. Alright. Alright, why does it take me so long? This is adding a lot of time to my shit. Nearest 100. Alright, here we go, here we go. 387 6 8 86873. Okay, I could say this. 0 carry the 1, 8, 0 carry the 1, 1 carry the 1. I messed up. 0 carry the 1, 8 carry the 1, 1 carry the 1, 1 carry the 1, 17, 18 carry the 1, 3. Shit. I'm writing this down. 0 carry the 1, 8. Oh, 0. I just carried an extra 1. Okay, 15, 320. Four carry the 1, 6 7 9 8 4 4 8 9 7 6 4 4 8 9 7 6 4. Three 8 6 6 6 7. I gotta do it again. Subtract. 12 5 9 0 2 2 62095. It's 100. 5. There we go. 3 2 4 5. Alright, 9 0 carry the 1, 9 2 carry the 1, 1 3 2 909. Seven, 4, 9, 9, 109947. Ugh. 508 189 6 0. This is 18. This is 9. This is 19. 11996. Distance traveled by a ship crossing the Pacific Ocean is rounded to what could be the two numbers that run. Just 100, that one and that one. Believe it or not, these are taking the most time. $46, $49, 49122. Oh my god, I knew I was gonna get that wrong too. See, 2, 2, 1, 29. I can do 13, 9. Oh. 1. Oh. I just missed the one. Damn it. Alright, that's good enough for me. Okay. Okay, what is this one? I'm so tired of that shit. Oh my god. 3000. B is 100. C 180. 6. 3286. 73. 18. 198. 2. 6. 9. 1. 8. 4819. What the fuck? How the fuck did I get? Starting over. 73. 8. Carry the 1. 198. 2. Carry the 4. 42 plus 4. 6. 8. 1. Oh, it was 8. What the fuck? Times 50. 90 times 50. 100 times 40 is like next mistake. Okay, that's correct. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. 2, 5. Step 5. What? Oh, that's right. Step 2. Dang, I'm sucking ass. I need to guess I gotta review this some more stuff. B is 300. C is 20. 36. 6, 8, 8. Estimate 80 times. 108. 90 times. 8, 8, 5. Okay. 0, 24, 0, 56, 32, 33, 0, 0, okay, 1, 7, 6, 36. You didn't add this 3. Jesus Christ. Eight times. Five, 8, multiply 280. So this is gonna be 280. Shit, 0, 8, 5, 8, 0. Seven times 6. Step 2. One, carry the 2. 8. 63. 18. 24. 1, 1, 2, 5, 11. Six, 6, 0. Such a Is my tablet charged up yet? I think this is charged now. Got my tablet right here. Snap. Bluetooth enabled. Oh shoot. It's not showing up. Man. Come on. Intuos Pro. Is that what this is? Yeah, Intuos Pro. Yeah. Snap. It's not working though. Damn it, bro. Come on. Dude, come on. It's right next to it. Do I have to freaking plug it in? Oh my god. Let's see. Alright, just bear with me, guys. I am configuring my tablet because it is definitely charged now. Nice. Oh my god, it's not working. Alright, I'm gonna do this tomorrow. It's taking too much time. Okay. Alright, guess no touchpad tonight. It's gonna be, oh man. Okay, 1, 27, 28, 6, 84, 2, 4, 7, 8, 7, 42. 77, 8, carry the 2, 3, 5, 7, 31, 57. One, 81, 3, 6, 24. 2511. Dang, I forgot my squares. Oh my god. That's embarrassing. Sorry, Miss Bassett. 8, carry the 4. 108. 288. This is 86. 4, carry the 2, 32, 6, 2, 35, 26. 57, 4, carry the 129, 0, carry the 1. 9, 4, 23, 94. 4, 24, 62, 4, 4, 744. Oh my god. Missed it. That's 4, 2, 22, 12, 112, 4, 4, 1344. Times 10, 127, 30 times 80, 30 times 60, 20 times 90. Alright, let's get this mastery. I can't get any of these wrong. 40 times 80. A is 1800. B is 140. C is 63. 3, 0, carry the 2. 37. 0, shit. 36. Carry the 3. 63, 66. 0. 3, carry the 1. 0, 70, 30. 4, that's right. That's right. 800. Okay. Did not carry the 1. So 5. 108. That's right, that's right. Hold on. 2 times 5, yes. 7. 60 times 5. Oh. It's 4. I don't know. That's 6,000. B. C. D. 42. 1,500. Yes. 2. 5. 0. B is 40, C is 20, D is 8, 8, 6, 7. Well, I'm so close to finishing. This math is pissing me off. Yeah. I think I'll do these quizzes first. Yeah, I think doing the quizzes then would be better. Reach, proficiency, and then mastery. Kill it all at the unit quiz. Unit test, rather. I get geometry. Which angle is 70? Am I in? Strict 120-degree angle. What namesake are you? Oh, that's good. 46. Dang. High. Should be really fast. How many degrees does DEF measure? DEF, like 45. Estimate. Cute. 60. 80. 25 degrees. X 43. Okay, yeah, that's the trick to do the quizzes, and then the unit test. Oh, so 3. 13. Damn, the rectangle has a width of 3 units. 15, 45. I just saw 5 and 3 and multiplied that. Square garden. Check, multiplies. Area. The perimeter. Minus 54. That's 36. 18. Milo wants to put a fence around the dog park in his house. He measures the size of the fence. Multiplies. Wait, what? Puts a fence around the dog park. He measures the sides and finds there 7 and 8. Perimeter. Judy built a rectangular patio. $18, $22.11. Jenny is in charge of making a banner for the basketball game Saturday. She measures how long the banner is for. She finds and measures. Jonah wants to create a rectangular border around his classroom bulletin board. He has 30 minutes. Give him the largest area. 50, 36, 56. Area. Marcy's putting squares into a rectangular mat. After she finishes covering, Marcy says the mat measures 30 square units. Oh my god. $54, 36, 18. Rectangles with the 5 units. Sandbox is 5 times. $25, 60. The area of a rectangle is 42 square millimeters. The length is 26. Square has enough sand to fill a rectangular sandbox with an area of 36. Rectangular 36. She wants the outer edges of the sandbox to use as little material as possible. Smallest perimeter 15, 30, 26, 24. This perimeter was area. Squares perimeter. It's 5 by 4, 9, 81. 12. 6. Shit. Hold on. Has a rectangular patio that is 9 meters wide. Perimeter is 18, 12. Has a perimeter. 18, oh, 22. It's 11. Yes. Jason built a rectangular tool shed that's 8 meters wide. 12. So that means 8 times 12. 8 times 12. 12 meters. Okay, unit test, let's go. Milo wants to put a fence around the dog park near his house. Perimeter. 9, 13. 8 times 24. 32. Shit. 2, 16, 192. 192. Jenny plans to paint a wall. She measures the height and width. She finds that it needs enough paint to cover 8 square meters. Area. Broncos about routine fence. She has 20. That's 32. That's 36. That's 20. Supriya is decorating her bedroom. She plans to hang strings of twinkle lights all around the walls. She measures the walls and finds it needs. Square has perimeter of 36. 9. So it's 81. Oh, it's jogging around the outside of the circuit. The field measures. Perimeter. What's the width? 4. There we go. Okay, easy. Last one. Oh. I finished. Nice. Let's see what my level is now. 31. Getting there. That was awesome. Alright. Let's see what badges I got. I'm sure I got more moon badges. Got the torrent. Oh, cool. $350 unique skills. I just earned though? I don't have any of those. Seven unique skills. All right, I want to preview fifth grade real quick. So I did all fourth grade, which is good. Oh, I think it's good. Fourth grade, let's go to math. Fifth grade math. What is this, arithmetic? I mastered a bunch of these already. Multiplying to find negative numbers. Oh man, integers was my weak. What are my weaker spots? Subtracting fractions, multiplying fractions, powers of 10, coordinate plane. Yeah, okay, so the best strategy for this to tackle them all. That course challenge isn't gonna do shit for me, unfortunately. I don't want to do a mastery challenge. I'll have to quiz, reach proficiency, and then take the unit test for each one. So let's see which one's the longest. That has like the most. Unit 1. So for example, what's the value? 0.7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Represents the value of this one. Let's place the ones. 0.87 C. Ones. That's pretty easy. 200, 22 hundredths, 2000ths. Oh shoot. Yeah. Dang, dude. 4,300. 6. 998. 73 hundredths. 8.73. 8. So dang, let's do that again. That was sad. 8,024. 62 tenths. 6. There we go. 3. So like my disk is almost full. Oh no. 5 300ths. This is 53. 5 3/10. 9,700. 13.4. Man. Yeah, if I make a mistake, oh man, it's brutal. Okay. Least to greatest. Take this short, should be at the top of the list. Flat rock. Raving. Group. Least to greatest. Group of 5th graders kept track of the number of hours they spent working on their science project. Put the student order from least to greatest amount of time spent. Least is Jenny. Jenny, get it together. No. 5. Aviv. Aviv was the least. Then Jenny. Then Adam. Least to greatest. Cool. All right. Well, I think that's gonna end my stream for today. Yeah, that was really fun. Yeah, things are getting a lot harder, and problems are taking a lot more steps. I am accumulating a good amount of energy points and skills. So, yeah. Where am I at right now? I've been doing this for like a week now, and I don't even know how many skills I have total. I have plenty of energy. I don't need more energy. How do I see? I don't even know how to see my total. Here we go. Total learning. How do I see my skills? 31. Where do I go? I know I have like at least 300, but total learning. Dude, I need to Google how to see this. Skills on Khan Academy. Oh, here you go. How can you see how many skills you have mastered? My account progress. Content. Quizzes. Okay. Progress. Today. Last 30 days. Course mastery goals. Content. It should, I mean, I know I could just do some simple math. Ooh, SAT prep. But I know I could do some simple math. Okay, hold on. I can make a spreadsheet real quick. So 1, 2, 99, I guess. And then let's zoom in just a little bit. So if I'm at 31, that means I've completed 30. 465. 465 plus how much? 15. 465, so I have 480. Okay. Interesting. So I'm at 480 and I've been at this for a week. So if I'm going at this pace, I should be very close to Maelstrom in about 10 weeks. So I think 10 weeks from now, Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So like the end of October, like Halloween, I should hit Maelstrom, assuming I'm going the same rate I am right now. Things could get harder, things could get easier, but we'll see. Yeah, that concludes